Hey guys, the video today is a buddy of mine and his boy taking them up there fishing the white bass RV running and the skipjack. Maybe we'll catch a couple catfish. We'll see. They that's what it's all about. Those little kids taking them fishing, and seeing those smiles on their face, and to me, it don't get much better than that. I hope y'all enjoy the video. We enjoyed the day for sure. So if you would just hit the subscribe button and help us out a lot. Thank you.
Man, that's a good one. Keep going. Get him over here. Y'all can eat that one.
All right. Let him tire out.
Yeah, just let him. Just keep him out from behind the boat.
Real.
Man, yeah. Alright. Yeah, y'all getting him. He's tired. You can just pull him across the top. Reel. Pull and reel. Here you go, buddy. Just keep videoing your daddy right there. Oh, it's already going now. It's already going. Look at that.
What do you think?
What do you think about that one, man?
That is a huge fish, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Hang down a minute.
Let's see right here. Let's see. 13 pounds. There you go.
Think you can hold him up?
Look, here's how you hold him. This is right hand. Put your left hand right there. Right there, stand between that fin right there. Just hold him just like that.
Okay.
That way, you use these two fins right there to.
Watch that fin in your belly.
Yeah, watch this fin, buddy. Watch this fin right here. That thing there will sticky.
Put it under
Put
him.
your hand under there. There you go.
There you go.
Just like that.
I can't hold it.
You got him?
I think.
Hang on, let me help you. Put your hand right. Yeah, hold him in. There you go. Hold him in your arm like that. That's perfect.
There you go.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Look at that right there. I got this.
All right.
I got sunflower seeds. You like sunflower seeds?
I've never tried it.
Nobody's ever even had them.
All flavors. How's it look?
So it's just the seeds in sunflower?
So you put them in your mouth and then they're like kind of salty and then you chew them and get the seed out and then spit the seed.
Here you go.
Oh gosh, get ready, Reagan.
Here you go, buddy. You got it?
You better hang on.
You got it? Alright. You're going to have to pull up and reel down, buddy. There ain't no way you're going to reel him in, okay?
Did he just hit that as soon as you put it in the water?
Yeah. There ain't no way you're going to. Gotta reel down when I go. Just don't let no slack in it, because if he ain't hooked good, it'll come out of his mouth. Man, what do you think? Here, let me get a big video. Let's see.
When I come down, you reel, okay? Real.
There's what it's all about.
Yep. Real quick. Real.
Come on, eh?
Real.
He didn't get off, did he?
He's on there. He's swimming towards me.
Yep.
Hang on, let me help you.
He'll, when he figures out, when he gets to the boat, he's gonna get mad again, okay? He sees that boat.
Reel. You gotta keep that slack out of them when they change positions. You can feel it. Reel. Get close. Reel. Reel.
It won't go.
Yeah, you gotta pull up.
It's hit my thing.
Alright, see how big he is. Getting close, just keep your rod pulled over that way, keep him right behind that boat. He'll cut you off on the motor.
Just hold it for a second. There's the tiring you out.
Yeah. When they stay down like that, they good. A little bitty fish will float up to the top of the water right now.
Oh.
Alright, you want video, Matt? Let me help you.
Yeah.
Still going. Alright, man. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna tell you when to reel, okay? Alright, reel. I'm trying to grab hold of him in a minute, okay?
Hold it good when he goes to grab it, okay?
He ain't ready yet.
He's still trying to fight.
Alright, ready? Reel. Alright, stop.
That's a good one, Reggie.
Alright, you ready? Reel. Hold what you got. Hold right there.
You need the dip net or you can get him in?
It's gonna pull Bobby.
Now I see how Bobby gets his fingers cut up.
Yeah. See right there?
Yeah. He's excited as you are.
I think this one's bigger.
Yeah.
That's like a baby shark, ain't it?
Right there. Let's see what you got. Let's see what this one was. Yeah, see what happened? You don't there put your finger in their mouth. You don't feel right there? Feel right there. Feel that? It ain't sharp, but when they'll clamp on you and they twist. See, how big was the other one?
13.
Uh-oh. Let's see. 18.
18.
You want to
18.
keep him and
Ready?
cook him or turn him loose?
I don't care.
What do you think?
I don't care either, man. Whichever way.
Can you keep it?
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Can you help me?
Yeah.
You want to hold him?
He's a big fish.
All right, come over here. You want to hold him on and get your picture?
I don't care. Yeah.
Yeah, you can take it with that. Come over here, buddy. All right, now put your hand under him. You got to hold him up against you like you did, underneath, all the way. All right. Man, that's a good picture right there.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Can't see.
That's a good picture.
Thanks, Greg.
If y'all want to
Use
eat
your
him,
jacket.
we'll let you eat him if you want to.
Do you want him or turn him loose?
You can turn him loose.
Yeah, I don't like them that
All right,
big.
yeah, let's turn him loose then. That's good. I like turning anything over 15 really.
What do you weigh?
18.
18?
You good? You got your
want-
pictures?
You want to turn him loose?
Yeah.
All right. Here, he can help you hold it in the water.
Put
And
your
then
hand through that. All right. Got it? Hold that. Just grab it. Got it? Now look. When we get down here, take the other hand. You're going to pull up on this. Pull up right there and it's going to release him, okay? You got it. Just start food around a little bit. There you go.
there he goes.
He just went out of the food.
And then you use this to wipe up.
I already did.
There's some rags.
Where do you want to put this?
It goes back,
Flip it back
there
on
where
that.
Bobby is. Let him finish that.
Yeah, let me get your rod back out.
Flip it around that way.
There you go, Ray.
Get him.
Got it? Alright. Remember, Rick, fill up, reel down. Yeah, good eating one right there. Them right there is that good eating channel cat. That's what's still on her bait every 5 seconds. Bring you around that way.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Ah. There'll be one more in the cooler.
Is that another catfish?
Yeah.
That's a channel cat. If you eating, that right there don't get no it don't get no better if you eating.
They taste better to me than the cat. Did you get another one?
Yeah. Better hurry up,
Hurry
boy.
up.
Better shake it and put it up. Come on.
Really? Ooh, what is that?
That's a drum.
Drum.
Ow!
What?
Yeah.
I tried pulling it up. And the
That's a
thing
drum right there. You want to picture of him?
What's that?
Well, he's a, we call him a trash fish.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know. Some people eat them.
Do they not taste good?
You want to get a picture?
You want a picture of it? Where's them white things at? Are you gonna hold him? You can hold him in your hand. Got it?
Hold him up.
What are you doing now? There's 5 bag away into there.
Take it.
Let him lick. Just hang on the side.
Right here. Good? Yeah, it sounds like one, ain't it? Wearing them out.
Yeah, that's a good
I
one
tell you,
too.
him right there. I'll eat them over catfish any day. There we go. Pull up and reel down. It'll make it a lot easier on you. You can do whatever, but
Yeah, you need to go ahead and get it right and get that rhythm down. Because you're going to need it.
alright.
White bass, ready?
Yeah, that's a good bite. That's a good. Put your finger in his mouth.
Hold him tight.
That's a good piece.
Why don't we flip them?
Pull them guts out of it.
Well, that's cheating.
Yeah, it is. Ain't it? Oh, look at here. Reel.
Get him.
Oh, hang on, you might catch him, man. Reel, buddy. Reel it. Got it? Alright, there you go. He's on there now.
Oh, that's a good one.
Well, you're going to have to pull up and reel down, man.
Pull up.
Pull up, reel down.
I don't know if you can pull that one.
Yeah, that's mad. That's real. You pull up and let him reel down.
Reel down.
Don't let him get you in the rocks. You still feeling?
Oh, yeah.
You gotta pull up. If you don't pull up, see how that reel ain't moving?
Real. When I pull up and I let down, you real quick.
Just keep tight on it real quick. Keep pressure on it.
I only let it down as much as you do it.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one there. He pulled drag off. He's a good.
Real.
Pull drag like that. He's a good.
Real.
He's coming over here.
Real.
good night, man.
I had to help him.
Yeah, keep it.
He's trying to hunt good.
Yeah, he does that. Just give me a video, y'all.
I'll video that here. I'll send it.
Oh, look at there.
Yeah, I'm ready. Hang on.
Man, that's a good one. Keep going. Get him over here. Y'all can eat that one.
Alright. Let him tire out.
Yeah, keep him out from behind the boat.
Real.
And yeah. Alright. There y'all get it. It's tired. You can pull him across the top. Real. Pull and reel. Here you go, buddy. Keep videoing your daddy right there. Oh, it's already going now. It's already going. Look at that.
What do you think?
What do you think about that one, man?
Huge fish, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Hang down a minute.
There you go, buddy.
Get him. Hang on to that one good.
You got it? Alright. Gotta pull up and reel down. Yeah, you go. Only way you can do it, man, is pull up and reel down. Look. Pull. Reel. Reel down. Reel. Stop reeling. Pull. Reel. Real fast. Now stop. You feel it? See what we're doing?
Yeah.
You still feel him? Alright. Do it. Reel down, pull up. It's the only way you can get them in, man.
There you go. That's why he's showing you that earlier, because there ain't no way to get them up without it.
That's the little one. What do you think? Think that's the little one? You think it's the big one?
I don't know.
You don't know? Come on this side of the boat, okay?
Hold him up.
Keep tight, keep the line tight. Still got him? Okay. Is he still on there? Alright, keep the line tight. I didn't tell you that. That's my bad. Line tight. Pull up, reel down. Only way to do it. Won't work any other way, I promise. My daughter's tried all kinds of different ways.
Goodness.
He's a big one, ain't he? Yeah.
Rolling.
Pull him that way. Yeah, he's gonna get there. You go. Keep him over that way. Keep your rod tip that way, like you're gonna point that field over there.
Yeah, pull it up.
That way, he won't get under the boat and cut you off. Man, you doing good. You almost got him up there. Pull him up. Keep him that way. Keep him that way.
Push me into the chair.
You don't eat him. Good eating fish right there.
Good.
What do you think about that?
That's a good one.
Is it stuck in his eye?
Yeah, it is. You bite me now.
Yeah, you got the shut mouth.
Look, ain't even in there, but it's up to the mouth.
Come on open.
Hang on, watch your feet. Get up now. Let me have that rod.
still won't open his mouth.
Get that other one, scale up there. That silver scale right in front of you, hanging on that.
This one?
I think.
The pliers?
Nah, up on top, right there on the rod holder at the motor. Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
What is that?
It'll work the same way.
You got him open his mouth.
There you go. Hold him with that and take a picture and you can wave.
Don't let him send you.
Why is it called rocking?
Don't fall on the ground, just don't let him hit your leg. No, it'll go right through him. Alright, hold him up. Turn him some. Other way. There you go. You can hold him with your hands. Pull him up.
Sir.
Oh, yeah.
Good right there.
Look at his eyes. It's almost falling out.
Throw him in the cooler, you can eat him.
I thought they weren't over here. I thought they were
If you
down
want
that way.
catfish, man, if you don't want them, now don't worry about it.
Oh, I'll eat him.
Can we eat that for dinner?
I think you're good dinner right there.
Mm-hmm.
What's it like?
You want me to reel it or you want to reel it?
Why is it like that? Look at how all the others are like waves, and then that's just an open spot.
It's just that current pulling.
It's water, it's swirling too, so it ain't just like, you can't hardly tell it, but it's, you see them big, see like that flat right here?
Yeah.
Little flat spot?
There you go, ready?
Right there, right there. That's where them fish will get in at. They'll stay in that little, some kind of weird way right there.
Is that a good one?
Jump out of the water.
Pull him that way. Pull him this way, ready? Pull him.
You good? See him jump out of the water? They call them freshwater tarpon. It's like old tarpon in the ocean, they jump out of the water bigger. Let me see it. Come on this side. There you go. That's where he's wanting to go anyway.
What'd you say they are? What'd you say you found them? Tarpon?
Fresh
What?
water.
They're called skipjack, but they call them freshwater tarpon because they jump out of the water. So, you want it? Nah, he won't be. Well, white bass. Look at when he cleaned them, though. It seems like they're gill flakes. They got some kind of down thing on their gill flakes.
Really? You ever caught this many fish, Redden?
No. We only caught, Papa will catch us all the fish when we go to him.
Yeah.
He'll catch like 8 and we'll catch 1. Little, small one. It'll be a little green.
You don't catch as many catfish, but they're usually bigger than them. You ever seen one of them locks operate right there?
What do they do?
There's big old doors right here on the end about where that red sign is.
Yeah.
And that he's driving that barge, that tugboat, pushing those barges. See him right in front of him?
Yeah.
He's gonna push them up in there, and then they're gonna close them doors, and then they're gonna raise the water up in that chamber, and then he'll drive out on the lake over there.
Oh.
See, the water's at the top of that wall right yonder.
Oh, so that's why.
Yeah, and they fill that chamber up, and then it lifts that boat up.
Oh, wait a minute, he might have got off.
That fish got Bobby good.
Did he?
Yes.
Which one was it? The bass?
I don't even know which one it was.
Did he fin you, or did you get cut on the hook?
I ain't sure, man, to be honest with you. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, did it come off? Still on there? Still on there?
Mhm.
Talking about it could done if it come off or not.
There you go. Swimming down there somewhere.
Ooh, deep is that?
It's about 17 foot. That's a nice one right there.
Oh yeah.
That is a good eating fish.
That one's more fins, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, any of them can, I guess. What happened? See, like right there, it's real sharp.
Hmm.
The gills?
Yeah, like the gill plates. I think I stuck my finger down in one of the mouths while ago.
Won't put nothing there.
You already got him? I've never caught it. He's a flopper. For 4 times.
That's a flopper.
Yeah.
Is that just him popping, or is that them?
Catfish on top of it.
You had a full-on conversation. Is this the place where you caught a 38 pound?
Huh?
Is this the place where you caught a 38 pound?
Is this where you caught the big one?
Yeah. I caught a 68 pound right here. Biggest one ever.
68.
68, the biggest one I ever caught right here.
Pounds?
I bet he was hard to get in, wasn't he? Well, some of them big ones, they'll just lay there, won't they?
Yeah, just that's all.
The yellow cats do, those blood ones will pull.
Yeah, that pot, especially this current, you get a little, like you get a 15 pounder in this current, we'll have to let the front motor go and chase him down. Where? That's what happens, bud. It always.
I bet we still caught 5 or 6 striped bass.
Yeah, you got plenty of happy little bit.
We caught way more than 6.
Well,
Or striped bass.
yeah, the other ones we were catching, that's bait fish.
They're around here somewhere. They in here. I haven't seen them.
Are we gonna like chop them up and put like their head or something on it?
Yeah, not them white bass, but we'll do them other ones. See that head right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it just like that when we go down there. We'll fish here till these quit biting, and then he'll take us down there, and then we'll start trying to catch catfish. Catfish, you gotta wait longer, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, right here.
Get him.
Catfishing is slow. You might not catch but 1 or 2 on it, but it'll be a good one though.
Pull him to the side.
Let him wear out. Just pull up and ease back. Cause
Pull him up. Let me help you. So you pull it that way as far as you can. Like that.
Yeah, he got it now.
There you go. Reel him
Just
up.
easy, because that's only like 10-pound test right there.
Yeah, he'll break it.
They'll break off. Lily was catching 4 at a time the other day on these right here. That's how good they were biting.
Really?
4 white bass at a time.
How'd she pull him in?
Old school of them big rods, you can get them in.
There he is right there.
These this just makes it fun.
Oh, yeah.
What's that? A little one.
There's another white bass.
How many of
He'll
those
get you
can
again.
You what, buddy?
How many of them can you catch?
15 a person. I used to think, man, that ain't very many much to eat, as far as to eat, but it really is.
How many can we catch on the boat? 15 a person.
15 times 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, I think. What you're saying?
Right there, man, right there.
Get him. Get him. You want me to get him to reel that one straight or just pull it?
Yeah, we can. Reel that
Reel
straight.
it himself.
If
Don't pull
it
him
starts
out.
pulling one way or another, we'll reel that one way around.
He's not gonna slow. She's gonna hit us in the face if he comes up. But they can't take a modern crane and set a block in a train
No.
because it's so precise.
No, he's gonna
So he must be small. Yeah, just a real. Just a real deal.
well, well, right.
Buddy.
You can do it. That's good.
What kind of fish is that?
That's one of those.
Bait right there.
Yeah, that's a good size one.
Will catfish eat that?
Yeah, he will.
Don't eat
You
that.
know what we call that right there?
What?
Catfish candy. Perfect size one. He ain't too big.
Do they eat the tails or not?
Nah, we'll cut the tail off.
Slimy.
Eat slimy?
Mm-hmm.
We'll cut the tail off. Look like it that way. Oh, here, buddy, you ain't gonna get that one?
Yeah,
Oh,
you sleeping.
We out there trying to off the fish down. You back here letting them get away. Alright, you gonna come over this side again. You gonna get out of your way.
good.
That's a good one.
I think I saw it going through your fish.
Cool.
I think it's just getting back there.
We'll get a video of you. I ain't got no videos of you. Mama's gonna kill me.
Why, she gonna think y'all got all of them. Did he come off? I think he came off.
Oh, he
Of
came
course, when I'm taking the video.
off. Sure, yeah, he came off.
Yep, he came up.
That's alright, bud. They happen, man. Them things, they're notorious. It's really hard to catch one on the bank because trying to reel that and get that up on them rocks. You can do it, but I can't tell you how many of them will flop off there.
Just want to take them because you're tearing up my reel. I wouldn't be able to.
Yeah.
Can't they die from that? Like, if you can't, well, I guess you can still eat without your
They'll
reel.
just open their mouth up, swallow it. I hope we catch one of them big old catfish so you can see it up close.
The fish teeth a lot.
Those catfish teeth will eat your fingers up. They don't cut you. It's just like
See
sandpaper.
all that right there?
Yeah.
That's where he got above my gloves. I had gloves that come. I got the gloves that come across here, and his big old mouth.
It's just like a rough grit sandpaper. Get him. He's about to jerk it in the water.
Come on, left side over here, left side. All right, you come over here.
Your arm's gonna be sore today. That saves you a lot with your strength when you're pulling them in. See, that pulls them teeth.
You still on there? You can video it, man. It's like fine. Hot him? Oh, he's going that way now, ain't he? All right, bring it over here, dude.
Dropped it.
Hey, flopping around on me too, man.
Hold him up.
Like that? Or,
Yep.
oh, that's a slimy.
They're hard to hold, ain't they?
That thing's back.
They're slimy.
They get away from you. You'll, hang on a second, man. Hang on a second. Sure what happened right there, man?
I do it.
Nah, you didn't do it. Keep on. Let's see. I guess
Did it come off?
keep on reeling. Probably somebody else is lying. I think the fish came off yet. Dang.
Oh, dang, Carter.
Yeah, I think you got somebody else's line.
Who else is fishing?
Somebody just broke off out
Yeah,
there.
and then just there's a bunch of rocks under there, and it breaks off, and then instead of doing everything, it just falls straight to the bottom and then hangs there. Then you catch it.
Well, which one's yours and which one's? Well, we got a mess, don't we?
Yeah, because it looks like he done rolled it all the way up here.
Oh,
I don't know. It ain't your fault, buddy. That's something weird right there. I don't know what's going on. Here, just start unrolling that.
Hang on just a second, buddy.
Till we get back to it good. No, man, you didn't do nothing, buddy. I don't know what's.
Look at that.
I don't know what's happening. You just let it all come back out.
You're clean here.
Clean.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Alright, we'll retie that bad boy. Let's get you out here on this side. We'll get you a fish.
Yeah, look. So remember, like you were telling me, because you're on this side and you're reeling, you want to face this way. If you're on this side, you want to face that way. The reason he's doing that is because he's trying to keep all the other rods from getting tangled up. And that one you couldn't have changed. But
No, I don't think.
oh,
You didn't do
you're getting a
nothing.
bite right there. Oh, okay.
You didn't do nothing, man. It's just part of it. Part of it. Alright, let me see if we can get this dude fixed. Probably just, when they really start biting, we'll probably just. I can't see, so even with my contacts, it's a little bit line.
We're blind too. tell them what you did at Lowe's yesterday?
No, I didn't mean to. I couldn't see.
We were walking down the aisle and we were meeting my dad there.
Oh, right here, man, right here.
Oh,
See him jump out of the water? What are you talking about?
oh, here's another one.
Oh, one on each side. Hey. Alright, man, look at that thing. You see him jump out of the water? Sometimes I just hit it and let it go. Yeah. Alright. Back up there.
But yeah, we were walking through Lowe's and we were trying. Oh, that's a good one.
You use them little white things there.
Yeah.
Now you got one over here, man. You got one over
Get
here.
it. I'll get that fish. And we take a picture and send it to Mama. There, goes left. Pull up. Reel down. Pull up. You're gonna have to learn that when you get a big one on in a minute.
Yeah,
You ain't gonna be able to
Real,
just reel.
real. Good practice right there. What happens, man? They're right there. They on there good. Get you little white bills right here. They got thing in the mouth right there.
How far you want to go, bro?
About 3 or 4 times what I got. Okay, what you got? Let it keep on letting go. I'll usually let one way out and then one short.
Like that, Bob?
Yep. Isn't that cool?
You want me to take a picture and send it to Mom?
What?
You want me to take a picture and send it to Mom?
Man, I don't know what happened here. We're gonna cut all this and start over.
What do you think? You're good. Hold it up for
Right
that.
here, man, right here. Look at this big one.
Alright, put him in there. You ever done fishing like this?
It ain't like this all the time.
I ain't never even caught a brim.
Well, I knew this is time to bring it. This is time to bring it.
There you go. Reel down. You're gonna have plenty of bait. And you said they just won't bite it good after you freeze it.
Yeah, I mean, no, that's good. Drop it back down in the water there, man. Let some line out. That way you don't get them tangled up. That's a long.
Oh, you a flappy boy.
Vampire fish. Big boy, you buck crazy.
Vampire?
I said they're like little vampires.
There he is, there he is, there he is.
Will you help getting it out? Bring it this way. Now pull up. No, this way. Reel down. Pull up. Trying to get you good at this before we get on the big ones. Now reel down. There you go. Reel up. Let it down. Reel up. Oh. Yeah, don't put it forward. Just watch it when you're coming up, and then you'll see.
I like fishing with these more instead of the sticks because one, they don't break.
Yeah.
And two,
Hold that right there. Don't let it break.
I don't have to watch my bobber constantly. I know when it's gonna, when there's a fish.
Yeah, all the fishing we'll do here, you ain't never gonna have to worry about thinking about if there's one there or not.
Fish rainbow. Get a rainbow belly.
I think, did it come off?
Yeah, I think he's hooked in his fin too.
There you go. I think did this come off?
No, this. That's the wrong one. Oh no.
Let's see what we're doing here.
Alright guys, hope you liked that video. Appreciate you watching. If you made it through it, please hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot. If you got any questions or info, shoot me a comment. Thank y'all for watching.